Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 3 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message on this device. First of all, you need to access Messages app and select one of your chats. Then click on this icon with a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Finally, just click on your photos that you wish to add or select Gallery section. Click on them over here or tap on Folders after Gallery and just hold one of your photos that you wish to add. Lastly, tap on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!